Imagine making $60 a day just using your phone. No job interviews, no boss, number 9 to 5. That's exactly what Sarah, a broke student from Texas, started doing, and her life flipped. Sarah had $7 left in her bank account, books unpaid, rent overdue. She sat alone thinking, how can I earn online without investment? Scrolling through YouTube at midnight, she found a video titled, "Lazy Student Makes $60 a Day Online." That title hit her like lightning. She was scared. Is this real? A scam, maybe? But something inside said, try once. So she signed up for a freelancing site. She picked a microtask job, something as simple as watching videos and writing feedback. No experience, no degree needed. 2 hours later, Sarah made her first $4. She stared at the screen, heart racing. I just got paid online. Every evening after class, she worked online microtasks, content writing, even surveys. $10, $20, then $60 a day. Sarah never rushed. 3 hours of smart work a day, no stress. She called it her lazy hustle plan. Her friend Daniel was working at a gas station. 8 hours a day, minimum wage. Exhausted. Sarah shared her method. Daniel tried Sarah's lazy method. A week later, he made $300 more than his job. He quit and never looked back. From inbox dollars to ClickWorker, Sarah used 100% free tools. She never spent a dime. Money loves consistency, not perfection. Sarah stayed consistent, lazy, but disciplined, and it paid off. If you're broke, tired, and think there's no way, there is. Your phone is a gold mine if you treat it like one. Sarah now earns $2,000 per month. All online, all lazy. She's not special. She just started. Will you? Sarah didn't keep the secret to herself. She created a small WhatsApp group for struggling students at her college. Every night, she'd post job links, helpful YouTube videos, and voice notes like, "Guys, I just earned $12 from a 10-minute survey. You can too." Within a month, over 30 students joined. Most of them earned their first online dollar because of Sarah. One even messaged her crying, "You saved my semester. I was about to drop out." That hit her hard. Her lazy hustle wasn't just for herself anymore. It was changing lives. Now, 2 years later, Sarah isn't just earning, she's leading. She runs a website called LazyIncomeClub.com, where she teaches students how to earn online in simple, slow, stress-free ways. She even launched a free ebook, Earn $60 a Day the Lazy Way. And guess what? She still works from her dorm room, in pajamas, sipping iced coffee. "I didn't chase the hustle life," she says with a smile. "I created one that lets me live on my own terms. No alarm clocks, no commutes, just Wi-Fi, mindset, and a little belief."